There, Discover Your Path You. My name is Sharon Froshin. I am the Chief Financial Officer for the platform, and with me today I have such a treat for you. We have our Chief Education Officer, Karen Richards, as well as our Co-Chief CFO, Karen Armstrong. And today they are joining me to talk about an incredible new offering here on the DipU platform called Workshop Basics, which is designed to help you as coaches learn how to create workshops which make you money and bring value to yourself and to your community. So ladies, who would like to go first?
I would. I love the idea of using workshops as a way to help clients begin to understand what you offer, because the best way to attract people to the work that you do is to give them a little education about how it works. So what Karen and I have designed is a process to take you through from your own creative idea and then give you the basics of how to expand it into a beautiful workshop that you feel comfortable leading, whether you want to do it online or in person. Right, Karen?
Definitely. Workshops are so powerful because you can use them, like Karen's saying, for people to know, like, and trust you, for networking, to get those one-on-one clients, as well as just to make money, whether it's online or you want to become an instructor with DipU, or you want to do them live in your local communities. So workshops are super powerful. They're a way of organizing what you have in you. I find with every workshop I do, I take topics that I already coach, but going through and actually creating a workshop is incredible, because not only does my knowledge deepen in those areas, but I start making connections that I never made with the one-on-one. And I also develop a lot from feedback from the people who attend the workshops. So Karen and I are both very passionate about it. We complement each other's skills. And so we want to offer this to the community, because especially being a newer coach, it can be nerve-wracking getting out there and finding people. And sometimes it feels like a lot of noise online. And how do you get your piece of the market? This is a beautiful way to get a piece of your market. One of the things I struggled with was figuring out, well, what's there to talk about? Like, what do people want to hear? And so we really want to share that experience with you guys as we go through the workshop series and help you develop these workshops that are authentic to you. They're what you have inside of you, and create something really good that's going to make your clients lean in.
Oh, that's awesome.
And the advantage to a workshop over taking just an online course is you've got that interactive quality. So your instructor is actually working, you're actually able to work with your client on a one-to-one basis in a group. So you can do all kinds of relationship building, as well as allowing your clients to develop a relationship together. I use workshops on a weekly basis with my clients as an added value to the coaching program I offer them. So it's also a great way to explore new concepts with people if they're kind of curious about how to do something. If you know how to do some kind of a special technique, give me one, guys. I can't think of something off the top of my head.
Value solicitation.
Yeah, if you just learned how to do a value solicitation, design a whole course around it. And we'll take you through how to design a course that doesn't make people want to do. We'll teach you how to make it an interactive learning experience, because a lot of people out there have great ideas and really want to share them with the world, but they really have no concept on how to get it started. I've been an educator for a number of years, and it's pretty simple. And the approach that we're going to teach you is so basic and so easy to work with that we'll just plug and play your ideas. And at the end of the course, you'll end up with a course ready to launch.
That is fantastic. So I just want to ask for a moment. This seems like it would be absolutely fantastic for anyone in DipU who currently might want to be an instructor but doesn't understand how to teach or create a teachable product. It would be great for any coach who's looking to move more into the group coaching platform than one-on-one coaching. And it would also be great, even if you're not a coach, if you would like to present ideas or like to teach either in your community or online, this would be a great way for you to develop new materials in which to do that. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's fantastic. What a wonderful offering. We're really proud of you guys for putting that out there on the platform. And to be able to get Karen squared, that kind of power, you guys, you definitely want to take advantage of that. So ladies, what day of the week and what time is your workshop?
It's on
Go ahead, Karen.
Oh, sorry.
Squared. See?
We'll see if we're in sync with that. It's on Thursdays at 1 o'clock Eastern time.
No, it's not at 1 o'clock. It's actually at 2 o'clock Eastern.
The recent time change, I'm sure, is throwing us all off. So
Right.
everyone out there, Thursdays at 2 p.m. Eastern, which would be, I believe, 11 o'clock Pacific. That gives you a wide range across the United States of your time zone potential. So Thursdays at 2 p.m. Eastern, join Karen Squared for an incredible opportunity to learn how to turn your workshops into money. Yes, I see your hand raised, young lady.
I think Karen is right. I wrote down the wrong thing on my notes. We are human beings. Can you believe it?
I love it. What I love about us is that most people would cancel this out, delete this, and then record a new one with the right time. But guys, we are more interested in being authentic than we are in being perfect. So I'm going to.
We are too real. And yeah, like, so please join us on Thursday, and also check out the website. You'll see all our pricing and the confirmed timing. If you're confused, you can check out the website. And we have a special going on for the first go of this. So go check
what
it
is
out.
it? You guys gonna keep it a secret?
You have to go to the website.
Go check out our description. Go check out the website. We want to drive some traffic there, but it's a really good price. It's an amazing price, and guaranteed you're going to make multiple times that in running your first workshop. So
Yes.
I got to tell you, just about anything with these two ladies is going to be worth just about any amount of money. So hope to see you guys there at the Workshop Basics Workshop. And again, if you don't even have an idea of what you want to teach, this is still an amazing course for you, because from idea to making money, where do you get that online for such an incredible value that you need to go figure out what it is? So everyone, have an amazing weekend. Thank you so much for joining us with these two lovely ladies. And I hope that whatever it is that you're doing this weekend, it brings you health, happiness, and joy.
definitely.
We will talk to you later, and enjoy yourselves.
Bye.
Bye, guys.